Hello viewers, in this video we are going to study binary to hexadecimal conversion. So here we have been given with a binary number and we have to convert it into hexadecimal notation. Now let us follow the procedure that is divided in the form of steps. I'll write step 1, make a group of 4 bits from the binary point. Step 2, convert these groups of 4 bits into hexadecimal equivalent number. Step 3, add leading zeros in case of a whole number and add trailing zeros in case of a fractional number. Now let us consider the binary number and we'll convert into hexadecimal number using these 3 steps. So we have to make a group of 4 bits from the binary point. Why? Because here you can see what to the power 2 is equal to 16. 16 means hexadecimal. Hexa means 6, decimal means 10. 10 plus 6 gives us 16. So 2 to the power what is equal to 16? Here 2 to the power 4 is equal to 16. So 2 to the power 4 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. So that's the reason we have to make a group of 4 bits from the binary point. So I'm going to write the same a binary number which is given to us. I'll write 10110001.11010111. Here we have to make a group of 4 bits from the binary point. Here you can see we have left out with only 3 bits. You can add leading zeros over here. So in case of whole number as per the step 3. So I'm going to add leading zeros, hence will not be changing the value of these 4 bits. So we have created one more group of 4 bits. After the binary point, again we have to start grouping bits from the left hand side. So here I'm going to group these 4 bits and the next 4 bits. And after this, step 2, convert these groups of 4 bits into hexadecimal equivalent number. So what we need to do is we need to write these 4 bits together as a hexadecimal equivalent number. So you can consider this bit number 1 whose positional weight is 0. Here I'm going to write 2 to the power 0 into bit 1 plus this bit 0 is in its 1's position. So here I'm going to write 2 to the power 1 into 0 plus this bit number 1 is present in weight 2 to the power 2. So here I'm going to write 2 to the power 2 into 1 plus 0. So this 0 in its positional weight 2 to the power 3 into 0. So anything into 0 is 0. So directly I'll be writing 0 plus 2 to the power 2 is 2 to the 4. 4 into 1 is 4 plus anything into 0 is 0 plus 2 to the power 0 is 1. Anything raised to 0 is 1. 1 into 1 is 1. So here 0 plus 4 plus 0 plus 1 is 5. Correct? Yes. So this represent 5. Similarly, we are going to go for converting this group of 4 bits. So what is the positional weight of this one? 0. 2 to the power 0 into bit number 1 plus next bit is 0 whose positional weight is 2 to the power 1 into 0. Next bit is 0 whose positional weight is 2 to the power 2 into 0 plus next bit number 1 whose positional weight is 2 to the power 3 into 1. correct? So here 2 to the power 3 is 2 is to be multiplied thrice. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 8 into 1 is 8 plus 0 into anything is 0 plus 0 into anything is 0 plus 2 to the power 0 is 1. 1 into 1 is 1. So here 8 plus 0 plus 0 plus 1 is 9. Here 1 0 0 1 represent 9. So here we are going to put this decimal point as it is, and next we are going to convert these bits. So 1 1 0 1. So what is the positional weight of this 1? 1 into 2 to the power 0. Similarly 2 to the power 1 into 0 plus 2 to the power 2 into bit number 1 plus 2 to the power 3 into the last bit 1. So 2 to the power 3 is 8 plus 2 to the power 2 is 4 plus 0 into anything is 0 plus 2 to the power 0 is 1. 1 into 1 is 1. Here it is 8 plus 12 plus 1 is 13. So here we are going to write 13. Okay. Yes. Next, this number we are going to convert. So positional weight of this bit 1 is 2 to the power 0 into 1 plus next bit is 2 to the power 1 into 1 plus 2 to the power 2 into 1 plus 2 to the power 3 into the last bit is 0. So 0 into anything is 0 plus 2 to the power 2 is 2 2s are 4 plus 2 to the power 1 is 2 into 1 is 2 plus 2 to the power 0 is 1. 1 into 1 is 1. Here 0 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. So here this represent 7. Okay, fine. Now we have to write this number. So given number is 10110001.11011011 to the base 2 is equal to 5959 point. We cannot write 13 directly over here in a hexadecimal notation. So here A represent 10, B represent 11, C represent 12, T represent 13, E represent 14, F represent 15. Here 13 means it is D. So instead of 13 we'll write D. 7 as it is we'll write 7 to the base 16. So I'm going to give you one more example of this kind. You just try to solve it by yourself and let me know the answer in the comment box. What to the base 16? Yes. Okay, just try to give the answer in the comment box. Thank you.